Today, I'll be electroplating a 3D printed SLA Pokemon, Lapras. This one's going to be a fun one. We're starting off by making the print conductive. Since SLA resin isn't naturally conductive, I'm applying a few even coats of copper conductive paint. It's important to get full coverage, especially around those tiny details, so the metal can build up smoothly during plating. Any missed spots might cause bare patches later. Once it's fully coated, we let it dry completely. Then we'll attach the leads and get ready to dip it in the copper bath. Stay tuned. The next step is copper plating, and that's when the transformation really begins.